to show you how to make tasty, full of bite, sweet payasam. Although a traditional recipe, it has many different versions based on the ingredients available locally. Other than the key ingredient sago, all the other ingredients in this recipe can be replaced or varied in amounts according to preference. Today, I am sharing my version and my personal preference of making this traditional payasam. I like my payasam to have some bite in it. The chana dal or split chickpea or Bengal gram as it is called gives this texture to the payasam. If this is not available, a good substitute will be roasted split skin removed green gram, which is available in most Indian grocery stores in 500-gram bags. It does not need pre-soaking like the chana dal and cooks easily in a shorter time. Using roasted green gram instead of chana dal also makes great tasting payasam. In this video, I will show you how to make payasam with chana dal. Let's begin. Wash the chana dal thoroughly and throw out the water. Repeat the process twice. Next, soak the chana dal for 5 hours. If using roasted split green gram, then soaking for 5 hours is not necessary. Green gram also cooks faster as it's already roasted. These are all the key ingredients to make payasam. The palm sugar and rock sugar combination in this recipe gives the payasam not only its sweetness but also a wonderful unique flavor. Milk is an essential ingredient for payasam. Traditionally, coconut milk is used. Using coconut milk adds a lot of flavor and gives it a superb taste. I don't have enough coconut milk on hand today, so I will use it at the end just as a flavoring. I will be using evaporated milk instead in this video. The next important ingredient is the sago and also the flavoring ingredients. You may skip any one of the flavorings according to your preference, but I love the combination of the three. The last two ingredients is the raisins and cashews. These give the payasam that extra punch and bite to it. Begin by boiling the chana dal with 5 cups of water. Cook the chana dal for 20 minutes or until it's soft. Add salt. While waiting for the dal to be cooked, we can prepare the garnishing ingredients. Begin by frying the cashews in a little ghee. You may use any type of ghee substitute if you prefer not to use ghee. Fry on medium heat for a few minutes and keep stirring as the cashews might get burnt. Fry the cashews to a golden brown color. Drain and set aside the cashews. Next, in the same pan, add 1 more tablespoon of ghee and fry the raisins. Fry on medium heat for a few minutes and keep stirring. After a few minutes, the raisins will puff up. Fry the raisins until all are looking puffed up like this. Drain and set aside the raisins. Once the chana dal is fully cooked, add the sago. At this point, stir continuously as the sago has a tendency to clump together. The sago will expand and turn translucent once it is cooked. Once the sago is half cooked, add the evaporated milk. I am using 1 cup of evaporated milk. We can also use 2 cups of whole milk instead of the evaporated milk. At this point, add more water if the payasam turns out to be thick and paste-like. Add a cup or 2 of water. The payasam should have a fluid consistency. The sago absorbs a lot of water while cooking. It expands and turns transparent once cooked. At this stage, add the palm sugar and the rock sugar or any sweetener of your choice. I am using here both types of sugar as they each have special flavors to enhance the final flavor of the payasam. Once the sugars have dissolved, add the fried cashews and raisins. Keep aside some for garnishing. Finally, add the powdered spices, dried ginger, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder. The quantities of these can be increased or decreased according to preference. I am adding here 3 types of spices as the combined flavors gives payasam the unique traditional flavor. You may omit any 1 or 2 of these spices according to your preference. Finally, my secret ingredient. I am adding here 3 tablespoons of thick coconut cream to make the payasam an extra tasty delight. This is really optional. Traditionally, payasam was always done with coconut milk instead of evaporated or whole milk. Coconut milk gives the payasam a unique flavor of its own. Let payasam simmer for another 3 minutes. Delicious, tasty, sweet payasam is now ready. All the sago granules have now become transparent. Payasam is normally served as a sweet dessert after a traditional vegetarian meal. Nobody would like to miss this traditional dessert, even after a hefty vegetarian meal. Garnish with extra fried raisins and cashews. Flavorful and sweet payasam is now ready to be enjoyed by everyone.
Make this dessert and you will most definitely be fulfilled of all your sweet cravings during this lockdown. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching, sharing and subscribing to my channel.